Holy shit!
In today's video, we're going to show you how powerful and how smooth our clutch kits can be, as well as the mile per hour gain that you can gain on your side-by-side. We're starting with our UForce 1000 XL on 30-inch tires. Very impressive kit, very impressive performance for such a heavy machine. We're also going to go over and show you how much we can load it down and still keep performance. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. You guys that are watching for the CForce and the ZForce stuff, we're going to have that as well in this video today. So stick around and let's show you.
Holy shit!
Alright guys, Redneck here. I want you guys to kind of pay attention down here. But I want to show you, I'm at a stop sign right now, and I want to show you how smooth my clutch kits are. Because there's a lot of people that wonder how smooth they are. Now we're going to mess, we're going to go. Gets up to 60 pretty quick. She's got tons and tons of power. So we're gonna show them how smooth it is in reverse when you just back up. Just barely touching throttle. Barely touching. Now we're going to go to low. Barely even on it. Just barely. It's... Well, I'm trying to read it. 2,000 when it starts to move. That's low. That's high. I mean, it's just amazing over what the stock is. You can just creep, which is perfect for guys not running their wives not running their husbands over like I've heard about. But yeah, I mean, you just, if you want a good kit, www.rngperformance.net. That's where you get a good kit. Up next, you'll find one of our customers with a UForce 1000 with 33-inch tires pulling a 3,500 pound horse trailer. He pulls this trailer around his farm quite regularly. This video was taken about 4 years ago, and he still has the same UForce, the same tires, same clutch kit, and has had zero problems. And I know he'll see this video, and he'll probably comment and let you know he had no problems. Check this out.
That's 3,500 pounds. 3,500 pound washing machine. Barely above an hour. Shit, Redneck, you the man.
We're all loaded down. Let's go get some lunch, guys. Let's see. How much weight do you think is back here? It's a lot.
How much weight is in one of those stones?
I don't know. I wonder if the bags will tell us. If the bags tell us,
we'll find out, yeah.
High gear. wonder if it'll still get it good in low gear with all that weight back there. Let's see if she'll get her good in low gear. Let's see. Yeah, she get down with a bad self. I mean, I was being easy on it. I didn't want to snap an axle or something, but.
No. Back it up here.
This thing is so smooth with my kid, even with it loaded down.
Oh yeah. Look at it, it's going. It's just moving just so smooth.
That's because R.N.G got a kid in it.
Yeah.
We took our Gen 2 and we put some Maxxis Rockzilla 32 10x14 tires on this thing. We went ahead and we installed our R.N.G Performance clutch kit. We also went ahead and used the Perfix 2-inch lift kit that we sell on our website. Check out all of our products, www.rngperformance.net. Our clutch kit makes this thing nice and smooth with these big tires and plenty of power to the ground. It's like driving a freaking Jeep over stuff. It's awesome. Check it out. If you want your CForce 800 1000 to perform that same way, all you got to do, get yourselves one of these from www.rngperformance.net. Search for Gen 3 CForce clutch kit. It'll come right up. We also have some awesome looking shifters in stock too. That's the 800. Can you imagine what the 1000 does? While I'm sitting here editing this video, guys, I couldn't help but not to leave out two turbo machines. One is my UForce 1000 turbo, wicked machine. And the other one is my buddy, New Age Power Sports, turbo ZForce 950. My turbo is pushing 15 pounds of boost. His turbo, I believe, was on 6 pounds. Both wicked machines. His was also on 32-inch tires. Check this out, guys. So if you're looking for some American-made performance for your machine, as well as keeping it smooth so you can do all those work tasks, hammering down on the gas, it don't matter what you got going on. R.N.G Performance is your place to be. We even got the CForce 1000 as well as the 800. We're doing a top-end big bore kit on that, high compression on that, radiator relocate kit. What else we doing, Ronnie? Snorkels. We're doing snorkels as well on that, and it's going to be a fun build. I got 32-inch tires coming for it. Stick around, guys. You never know what we're going to put out on our channel. You never know what you're going to see, but I can tell you one thing. You'll know you're getting quality when you buy from R.N.G. You're getting the best customer service in the market, and you're getting U.S.-made clutch parts, springs, and all that stuff for your clutches. We also make our own belt, so we have our own belt, the best belt on the market at the best price. Guys, check us out, www.rngperformance.net. You can also call us at 330-806-0728, and we'll be happy to help you with anything you need. Even if you have a question and aren't looking to spend some money, we can help you out. We're not afraid to help you out. It isn't about the dollar bill to us. We just want to help you and get you on your way and get your ride fixed today. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out. God bless, and have a good day. If you can, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one.